From the early days of intensive livestock production, additives have been introduced in some way into the animal's drinking water. In the beginning, it was adequate to simply mix the additives with the water in a large holding tank and pump the mixture directly out to the animals. As times changed, automatic medicators were needed to efficiently put the additives into the drinking water. The early tank bag type medicators were very good for their times because they were simple designs with no moving parts. As times continued to change, however, those difficult to clean and limited capacity medicators were replaced with the water-powered proportional positive displacement pumps. Those first French pumps were a great improvement over the tank bag units. They were easy to use, accurate, and they very effectively mixed the additives with the water in the motor section of the pump. But with the further changing of times, newer harsh additives were introduced that caused excessive wear in these pump mixing motors. It was in those times that the first American pumps came along. They had the disadvantage of short strokes that made them run and wear out faster, but on the other hand, and more importantly, they were designed to keep the harsh chemicals out of the motor section. All of those medicators in the past had unique features that worked well for the times. As times changed, medicators were designed to meet the needs of the newer times, and progressive businesses then employed the newer units to provide their customers with products that had the best features for those times. Times are continuing to change in our business. In today's times, industry needs equipment that will allow the producer and the supplier to remain lean and efficient in order to thrive. Today's equipment needs to be competitively priced and allow manageable inventory levels of units and parts. In these times, all medicators, like all industrial equipment that is exposed to severe operating conditions, require extensive maintenance, and that maintenance needs to be simple and economical. The harsh chemicals used in these times needs to be restricted to a replaceable chemical pump section of the medicator. The Gator XL was designed to meet these needs.